and welcome to another episode of Through the Fire. Going to be the video for paint. So we are going to pick out some paint colors. We are currently at Sherwin Williams in Waldorf, getting ready to pick out paint colors for the house. So I am gonna feel a little weird, but I'm taking y'all with me, so let's go. You guys, so we are over here at the color board, and we're going to choose some color cards. But because I think I want you guys to figure out what colors that we did choose, I'm not going to let you guys see what colors we choose. So I'm going to come on here onto the board. I'm going to grab some colors. I might throw y'all off a little bit, but I'm really looking at some colors. Selected all of the colors that we want. Now my favorite color, you guys, is teal. So I don't know if that gives you any hints for anything, but take a stab at what you think we chose for the colors for the house, and we will see you on the next episode. Bye. See, I had it reversed because I didn't want to show y'all the color. Bye.